Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Infosys mass hiring is started again. Their form is active. BE, BTECH, ME, MTECH, MCA, MSC is eligible. It is a good news for all of the student. One of the most important point that all of you are asking the same query that we have to apply for this hiring or not, means we have to fill form again or not, because exam is deferred, means exam is already cancelled. So we will discuss about each and everything updates in the video. So I already cracked Infosys examination in 2021 year, then I cleared the Infosys certified software programmer, then I worked with Infosys, later I make videos on YouTube that is related to hiring. So all videos are for all of you. Apply for all opportunity, don't miss any of the hiring, because we are sharing the genuine hiring opportunity. And 14 hours ago I shared more than 1900 vacancies government job opportunity, so must apply for that. Biggest hiring is there. 12th pass and freshers all are eligible. You can see Infosys hiring is active. When you click on accept, you have to basically just fill off all of your details like this, and after that you have to fill your name, and you have to select the continue, and this type of form will be open. Now you can try to apply, but understand one thing before applying. Watch this video till end. First of all, as we know that Infosys 26 batch round 1, that is on May 31st, is deferred. We have update regarding the online hiring exam for specialist programmer trainee and digital specialist engineer trainee. The assessment schedule for 31st May has been deferred. We will reach out to you within updated schedule once we have plan identified. We truly appreciate your flexibility. The revised exam shared will all registered candidate in due course. Just note down this line or keep this line in your mind. Understand one thing, there are two type of situation arise. That first of all, you are a selected candidate. So what does it means by selected candidate? Selected candidates mean you are already registered candidate. This is the application form. Okay, this is the apply form. Suppose you applied for opportunity, and you successfully register, you have successfully received the examination mail, and after that if your exam is cancelled or if your exam is deferred, you do not have to apply for opportunity again. Why I am saying? Because you are already registered candidates, and they clearly mention we truly they will be shared the revised exam date with all registered candidate in due course. So you already registered. Okay, you already registered for the opportunity, means you already applied the form, you have already filled the application form, and you got the examination mail as well. Your examination is cancelled or your examination is deferred, there is no problem. They will share the next test update with you, that is related to examination mail of next test date. Understand one thing, there is no problem at all. But if you not receive any kind of examination mail from Infosys team, suppose you are from BE, BTECH, ME, MTECH, MCA, MSC, you applied for opportunity in the May hiring or April hiring, but you not receive any kind of update related to test, so there is no problem at all. You can try to apply for opportunity again. Or you are new candidate means who are registering for this opportunity again. Because understand one thing, how they will consider the two profile or two details of same candidates at one time. Suppose my name is my name is Lokesh already applied in the May month. Okay, and I am a registered candidate. Again I am applying, Lokesh is again applying in the June month. Okay, with the same details. So what is the thing related to this? Your examination is deferred, there is no problem at all, but they not mention that you have to register for opportunity again. They not cancelled your details. Okay, they not cancelled your details, or they do not have your details like that. They have your details and you are registered candidates, so there is no problem at all. You can apply for opportunity, means there is no problem at all. You can wait for opportunity. And suppose if you have any queries related, that if you have in your mind that we have to apply for opportunity or not, directly send your mail to talent.acquisition@infosys.com. that email ID you can find in your mail as well. Okay, and those candidate who received the result, suppose who completed their first round, okay, and their submission is received by Infosys team. Dear candidate, warm greeting from Infosys. We are pleased your attempt has been recorded. Your answer for round 1 virtual assessment, our team is currently evaluating its result. You can expect to hear us by result by middle of the next. Don't apply again, okay, because according to the Infosys database you already appeared for the test opportunity, okay, and they clearly mention you should not have applied, or you should not have applied for Infosys SPDSC hiring in the last 6 months. So now your cooling period is also active. 6-month cooling period is also active because you appeared for the assessment, okay. That's the most important thing. Later if we join company as well, they definitely know this type of thing. If candidate attend assessment in the within 6 month of timeline, immediately they will revoke the offer letter of candidate. So don't do this mistake. If you also received the deferred examination mail that your examination is deferred, we will share the new schedule. Just wait for the update. If you are a new candidate, or if you not got any kind of examination mail previously, so you guys can try to apply. There is no problem at all. I hope you find this video well, because we are sharing the genuine information. Thanks for watching the video.